In this video, I want to show you how to link display satellite images in ENVI. That is, how to link two or multiple images to display an area concurrently. The link display feature in ENVI software enables synchronized visualization across multiple images, which is essential for detailed image comparison and analysis. It connects different display views based on either geographic location or pixel position. And the key benefit of this is that with link display, you can synchronize navigation. Number 2, you can have effective comparison of images. And 3, it helps or facilitates dynamic overlay. 4, it also have an application in spectral analysis, and also it provides flexible setup, and of course it provides efficient workflow. So in this video, I'll show you how to link display in ENVI software. So let's get started. The first thing to do, let's launch the ENVI software. So here is the interface of ENVI software. The first thing to do is to bring in the images you want to use, and you can bring different type of images. In this exercise, I want to illustrate the link display tool using Landsat 8. And to bring in Landsat 8, I'll click on File and come to Open As, then come to Landsat and click on Geotif with metadata. Navigate to where your file is, double click and select the MTL file and click on Open. Yes, here is my Landsat 8 image. Now what I can do, I can open the data manager by clicking on this icon. So let's place the data manager here. Now I can display the CIR. Just right click here and click on load CIR. Yes, here is it. Now linking multiple views or display in ENVI software, as initially said, has the ability to synchronize your data for better visualization. I can zoom this image to full extent by clicking on this icon. And for example, let me zoom in to a particular location and show you the essence of linking multiple views. Let's assume I'm looking at this area, and let me pick palm, and then I want to compare this same area in multiple views. So the best thing is to add multiple view and link the view together such that the multiple view can be synchronized, such as you are viewing a particular location in one view, is also being viewed in the other view. Now come to view, then you can create a new view. If I click on create a new view, it has opened another view, just as you can see here. To select a view, just click on it, and once you see the blue outline on the view, that means that view has been selected. And I can come here, right click and click on load true color. So it has loaded the same image to the second view. However, it's not the same area. So this portion is different from this portion. And if I click and move as I'm panning it, I can't see the result here because they are not synchronized. So you can see two separate views, and I loaded in the same data. Now if I want to compare this data, I have to synchronize the two views such that whatever I'm doing here can also be viewed here for better comparison. Furthermore, if you come to this view, there are different options here. You have one view, two vertical view, and presently these are two vertical views, and we have two horizontal view. If I click on two horizontal view, this is the result. So it will align the view horizontally, one above the other. The essence of this video is to show you how to link this view such that it can be synchronized. Then let's come back to view, and I want it as two vertical views. Now to link the two together, come back to view, and here you can see link views. Click on it. It will open this link view, and if you want to link the two together, you have to select them. By clicking on the first one, you can see the tick, meaning it has been selected. Click on the second view, it has been selected, then click on OK. Once you do that, it will automatically take you to the same locations. So this portion you are seeing is the same portion here. So now if I click here and move, you can see that the two are moving at the same time. You can see. So which means the two view has been synchronized. And of course, if I uncheck this, such that we have the same visualization. So you can see that as I'm panning the image in one view, the corresponding effect is also shown in the second view. Now, as I said earlier on, that one of the advantage of this is that it helps you to make comparison of an image. Let's assume I want to make comparison of this image, and I want to visualize it in different view such that I can make accurate comparison. So I can come to view, and also I can select 2x2 view. Yes, 2x2 view gave me about 4 viewer. Now I can click on this view. It has been selected. Then what I will do is to right click here and load the true color of the image so that the same image can be loaded here. It has been loaded. However, it's different from this. The area display here is different from this because it has not been synchronized or linked. Then I'll click on the fourth view. Then I'll come back here and load the same image. Yes, I have the same image in the fourth view. Now let's try to link the four views together. So I'll come to display and click on link views. Then here we have different options to select the view. You can just click on select all view, or you can click individually. So if I click on link all, so it will automatically check all the four. Then I'll click on OK. So the four view has been linked such that as I'm moving one, the rest are also moving. As you can see in the fourth view, the four are moving as I'm panning it in one. Now let's say assume we want to make comparison. So what I can do is that as I have selected this, I can come here. Let's say I want to mix the band. Let's say this short infrared and this near infrared. Then I'll click on load data. So you can see the result here. Then I can select this. Then let's say near infrared, red and green. Then I'll click on load. You can see the result here. Now let's select this. Then come here. I want blue, green and red. Then click on load. So you can see the result as well. Now since I've linked the four, if I'm moving it, the four will be moving. So I can easily make comparison. What is the difference between here and here? So I can see the same locations. And of course, I can zoom in. If I'm zooming in to the same location, all the four will zoom to the same location. the next thing I can do, I might want to link only two. So to do that, I'll just come back here, come to view and click on link views. Then let's assume I want to link this and this. I'll click on OK. If I come to one of those I've linked, so as I'm moving, it's only the two that I've linked that will move concurrently, just as you can see. So as I said earlier on, the benefit of link display in ENVI is that it helps synchronize navigations, just as you can see, and also for effective comparison of an image. Then it helps in dynamic overlay, and also it has application in spectral analysis, flexible setup, efficient workflow. So in essence, this is how to link multiple views in ENVI software. Thank you for watching.